Hello champions, welcome to Term 4. How are you? Miss Mita, hope all of you stay healthy and stay safe. And so this is the video for library for Term 4. Please check it out. Okay champions, now Miss Mita will read an ebook for you about water. This is the cover. And here the contents. Okay, let's restart. Watery world. Water is the most important feature of our planet. A simple combination of hydrogen and oxygen, water is probably common throughout the universe, but mainly in the form of ice or water vapor. Both of these are known to occur throughout the solar system. But liquid water seems to be very rare because it can exist only within a limited temperature range. This liquid water is vital to all living organisms, from the simplest microbe to the most complex animal. So, it is fundamental to the existence of the whole web of life, humanity, and civilizations. Without water, Earth would be a sterile ball of rock. What planet? Earth is the only planet of the solar system with oceans, rivers, and lakes. It also has vast polar ice sheets and mountain glaciers. The heat of the sun creates water vapor, which forms a significant part of the atmospheres, the air surrounding Earth. And some of this vapor condenses into water droplets to form visible clouds. So, Earth is also the only planet where water is known to exist as ice. Liquid water and water vapor. God of water. People have always understood the vital importance of fresh water. During the period of the Roman Empire, many people believed that supplies of fresh water were controlled by Neptune, the god of the sea at the driest times of the year. They made ritual offerings to him, hoping that he would save them from serious drought. Other worlds. Most of the water in the solar system is in the form of ice or water vapor, and neither can support life. There was only once liquid water on Mars, but now there is only ice. There is water vapor or mercury, but no lakes or seas. However, it is possible lakes or seas. It's possible that liquid water and even life exists on Europa or one of Jupiter's moons. Vital medium. What is essential for life on Earth? No one liquid is so good at dissolving other substances, and this is what makes it an ideal medium for the chemistry of life. Simple organisms such as the bacterium are little more than bags of water and dissolve chemicals. A bacterium contains structures seen here in this cutaway that use the chemicals to make the complex molecules that build the bacterium's body. Where is the water? Only 3% of the water on Earth is fresh water, like the water in our taps, and 3/4 of that is frozen into ice. Nearly all the rest is salty ocean. However, water is constantly evaporating from the ocean, falling as rain, and flowing over the land to the sea in a continuous cycle. The fourth element. In the 5th century BCE, the ancient Greek philosopher Empedocles defined water as one of the four elements: earth, air, fire, and water. According to an earlier Greek scholar, Thales, and water was the primary substance from which all other substances were made. Precious liquid. Since water is essential for life, it's vital for survival, so people have always lived near sources of fresh water. When the development of farming enabled people to build the first cities, most of these were seeded by reliable water sources. The earliest civilizations were based on great rivers like the Euphrates, Tigris, Nile, and Yellow rivers. This wall painting, dating from about 3,400 years ago, shows an Egyptian hunter in the Nile marshes. Water and history. Since water is vital to our survival, it has always played a pivotal role in human history. Most cities and other settlements were sited by sources of fresh water, especially in dry regions. But water has also been used for travel along rivers, coasts, and eventually out of sight of land. For much of history, overland travel could be very difficult, so despite the dangers on the water, it was often easier to travel by boat. Many great cities developed on natural harbors and rivers that were large enough for ships to travel on them. These cities become wealthy through maritime trade. Having learned how to cross oceans, people were then able to visit and colonize distant lands. Okay, so there are another page from this ebook, and Miss Mita will attach this ebook in Edmodo. If you want to read more, you can download the PDF. Okay, see you on Zoom. Thank you.
Okay, so that's the video. Miss Mita hope all of you like the video and enjoy the video, and see you on Zoom meeting. Bye.